Hi, we are Group 76. We will be giving a presentation on the diary app we made for our project. We will firstly make an introduction on the app. Then we will talk about how we implement our ideas to create this app. Following this will be a brief demonstration of the app running. After that, we will finish by a short discussion of future improvements. Firstly, as we mentioned, we have decided to create a diary app on Android for our project. Our diary is an extension to traditional diary. We decided to make this because we thought common diary might be too boring with only writings. We would like to make diary more interesting. Therefore, we have decided to make multimedia available to diary writing. In another word, we want users to be able to at least take a photo or draw a sketch and then insert it into the diary. In addition, sometimes when writing diary, some people do not bother writing usual information such as date, weather, when they feel annoying to writing such things every day repeatedly. Hence, we have decided to make an auto-capturing function that can automatically get the information like date, location, weather, via sensors on Android devices. In summary, the new functions we have added to traditional diaries are insert photo, insert sketch, and auto-capturing. Now, let me briefly discuss how we implemented these functions. Firstly, insert photo function allows users to insert photo from both the system album and camera. This requires some coding to get system permission to access external storage at device root folder. Additionally, taking photo will require access to camera sensor. When photos are ready, inserting them into the diary will require the use of a GitHub library to show images in Android edit text component. Moving on to insert sketch. To firstly draw the sketch, we definitely need to access the screen sensor. Then, to realize this function, we have used Android Canvas and Paint classes, which literally were used as canvas and paintbrush in our app, so that users can literally draw on the screen. Again, to insert the sketch, we have did the same thing as that in insert photo. Lastly, auto-capturing mainly captures date and time, location, and weather. Date and time are simply captured from Android calendar class. Then location and weather are collected based on GPS coordinates, which surely is read from the device GPS sensor. When the app gets GPS coordinates, it will then query Google Map via API to get the physical address, which effectively is our location. As for weather, again, when the app gets GPS coordinates, it queries an API provided by OpenWeather to get the weather information, which is then displayed in the app. Now, let's move on to see the real app.
Okay, let's see how the app works. On the start page, if you want to write a new diary, then click the plus button. The diary page has three parts: the title, diary content, and additional information. For example, we can set the title as Unimelb and write hello world in the content. In the bottom, you can see the additional information. The information is auto-generated by the system. The date time is acquired from the system clock by using data picker dialog. The location service is provided by Google Maps platform. We send GPS, cellular, and Wi-Fi network location data in order to get the most accurate data. The location data is sent to Open Weather Map to get the weather info. Next, the most interesting and difficult part of this app is that we can insert pictures into the diary. Basically, this app provides 3 ways to add images. First, we can click the camera button to take photos or choose from album. By taking photos, we can keep the speed time like this. We can also select one photo from album. We can even draw a sketch to record some great ideas. To do this, click the Note button to draw it and save it as JPG file. In the sketchboard, we use pen and canvas to draw the sketch. Apart from this, we use pass glass to record each stroke so that people can undo and redo and clear their operations. When clicking the check button, the whole sketch will be saved in diary. Now, when we click the Save button, the first diary will show in the start page with a red circle. The red circle means this diary is today's diary. We can also edit diaries. Say if we choose this diary, we can even change the date. For example, if we change the date to yesterday and click OK and click Save button, you can see this diary will show with black circle. All diaries are sorted by date.
These are some future improvements. If we have more time, we would focus on those parts. The picture and sketch are not enough for capturing ideas. We could use multimedia like video and audio, recording more vivid moments. The UI of Sketch View could be improved, and there could be more options. More colors and more painting brush could be better. The current sketch could only be drawn on white canvas. We could provide more options on backgrounds, such as photos. Privacy of diary is very important. Nobody wants to see the leak. If we have more time, we could build a password locker and use the fingerprint sensor. And the last point is about security. Diary is a good way to document thoughts and memories. We should prevent the loss. Comparing to local storage, building a cloud base could be a better solution to save the data. We can also allow users to export data to store in a safe place. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.